Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio W220H. And if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first, let's make sure we are in the timekeeping mode. And to do that, press and hold the mode button like this. And it will jump to the timekeeping mode. Okay. And then after that, press and hold the adjust button on the top left, this one. And now the second is flashing or blinking, and we can reset the second using the start button. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute like this, and if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute like this. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the hour. For this one, you can use the start button to increase like this, or you can also use the split button to decrease. So let me set as 18. Okay, and then press the mode button, and now we can set this one, the minute, using these two buttons. So the split button will decrease and start button will increase. So it's like counterclockwise and clockwise. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the time format. For this one, you can use the start button to change the time format. So this one the 12-hour format, and this one is the 24-hour format. Okay, next press the mode button and we are setting the year. You can use these two buttons again, so the split button will decrease and start button will increase. Okay, now press the mode button and this one is the month, also the same thing, these two buttons. Okay, and then again the mode button, and now is the date, same thing, split button to decrease and start button to increase. Okay, now press again the mode button and we're back to the setting of the second, and done. You can now press the adjust button and back to the timekeeping mode. I will also make the detailed tutorial, so don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.